Coca-Cola, as a food production company, maintains an extremely high standard of tidiness and hygiene. And this was the reason why we decided to use cleaning robots and implement automation in the area.
Mobile robots proactively approached us, informing us that they had a cleaning robot in their product range. We were able to test it at the Knetzgau facility and have currently tested it in a warehouse of around 2,000 square meters. The implementation of the project turned out to be very straightforward. Communication was always professional and easy. Any issues were resolved directly, allowing additional project phases to be developed and further challenges to be addressed. The current forklift traffic in our 24/6 shift model is proving to be the biggest challenge, from which we have derived insights on how this could be resolved in the future.
The collaboration with the Mobile Robots team is extremely uncomplicated. Simple, short communication channels. We are extremely satisfied.
The test showed that the level of tidiness could be maintained at a very high standard because the robots operate automatically on weekends outside of working hours. The most positive aspects were the easy installation in the warehouse and, of course, the cleaning performance of the machine.
Yes, we are considering additional areas. In the field of intralogistics, we want to upgrade with AGVs, and we are already in close contact with Mobile Robots on this as well.
The goal is, of course, to establish a long-term collaboration with Mobile Robots in order to integrate additional cleaning robots into daily operations and thereby maintain the cleanliness level at a consistently high standard.